We've reached a point of maturity in the market now where we need to be designing tools that can draw together to agglomerate the data that we are collecting, and so that we can understand it more, so that we can make better choices and better decisions in support of our students' success. Scope promises to bring this to the market.
In the past, we couldn't get the depth of information that we needed, and we were only looking at basic information like logins or page views for tools. IMS Global Caliper Analytics provided us an answer to our problem. We created Scope to deliver the in-depth information necessary to make both macro and micro level decisions about learning technologies on Purdue's campus. Caliper is able to give us real learning data, well beyond what Google Analytics provides. This will allow us to make data-informed decisions about tool usage.
At the heart of Scope is its data, which we present in a dashboard layout. Data by itself is great, but without meaningful reports and visualizations, it's difficult to make sense of it. Data dashboards are powerful in that they have the ability to save time and provide insights by distilling key information down into meaningful and easily digestible pieces that can be understood at a glance.
When designing Scope, the objective was to keep it simple and clean, while still allowing for complexity when needed. Anyone can use Scope to view Purdue's aggregate learning tool analytics over time, including active unique user counts, filterable by date range and tool. Instructors and administrators will be able to access more in-depth reports.
For example, an instructor using Scope will be able to filter analytics by their specific course and gain insights into how students are engaging with learning tools. In addition, an administrator or educational technologist will be able to analyze high-level data for the institution, compare tool usage across schools and courses, and identify redundant tools that meet similar needs.
We currently have 2 supported tools for classroom engagement. One costs students money, and the other is free. With Scope, we will be able to view concrete usage data to inform us on which tool should be centrally supported moving forward.
Because Scope uses Caliper, it's designed to work across learning tools. Whether it's something we make here at Purdue, or if it's a commercial product off the shelf, Scope will provide the data necessary to manage a university's technology needs.
Due to our work on this project, Purdue has become a contributing member to the IMS Caliper specification.
Moving forward, Scope will be expanded to include data from more tools, and we will continue to refine our reporting dashboards to include the most useful data.
We hope to evolve Scope into the authoritative source for learning analytics data at Purdue.
Scope, I think, is the first serious attempt to try and bring all these different data streams together and analyze them in one kind of collective sense, knowing that they're all feeding into each other, that there aren't independencies here, but they're all interdependent in some way. And this is a first step to trying to understand what those interdependencies look like in a systematic way.
Being able to see what tools the students gravitate towards is very, very important in terms of understanding what's the best way to present them with information. If the students have a strong affinity for one particular kind of tool versus another, then naturally I want to start using that tool more and more and more to take advantage of their interest and take advantage of the modalities that they prefer.
Scope is creating the opportunity now to develop a set of tools that will enable institutions to go to a next level of performance and understanding their performance.